Beautiful, breathtaking, but within minutes this mountain wilderness come brutal. This is Baffin Island off the coast of Canada and the latest challenge for Derbyshire mountaineer Nigel Vardy. Here blizzards are part of the landscape and temperatures can fall well below zero. It was while doing a similar climb in Alaska 4 years ago that Nigel became trapped in a snowstorm and suffered frostbite. This climb is his toughest so far and a test of his character and body.
Let's see how the feet survived. It's been a fairly hard trip for them, even though we did have a long rest in the middle. But they weren't too happy yesterday in the ski boots. But we've got here, that's what matters.
Back home in Belper, he now has time to reflect on the challenge.
The cold wasn't as big a problem as I thought, but I was very, very careful, perhaps a bit over careful, but you have to be. So I coped with that fairly well. We got stuck in the tents for 5 or 6 days, which was at times fairly frightening. The wind was battering the tent somewhat, and I had a very bad night in Alaska like that. But otherwise, I think I survived actually very, very well.
During this trip, Nigel came face to face with the demons that have been with him since Alaska. He conquered them and the elements. Mike Dolan, Central News.